Okay, welcome back for Domain 2, Security and Compliance, or as I like to call it, the Dark Night of the Cloud. Learning cloud security is a lot like becoming Batman. Once you understand your mission, you realize the power and responsibility that comes with it. The AWS cloud, like Gotham, runs on balance and trust. AWS protects the city's foundation and infrastructure, while you protect what lives inside of it, your data, your users, and your configurations. What most people never see are the shadows, encryption keys, access controls, audit logs, quietly keeping danger away. That's where you come in. In this section, we'll explore the shared responsibility model, learn how to use AWS's security and compliance tools, and master the principles that keep your cloud fortress strong. By the end, you just won't know how to use AWS securely, you'll know how to defend it, like Gotham's silent guardian. Every hero has a partner, and in the AWS cloud, that partnership is built on trust. AWS takes responsibility for the security of the cloud, protecting the global infrastructure, the data centers, the networks, and the hardware that power everything you build. You, the customer, are responsible for the security in the cloud, managing your data, encryption keys, and who has access. Depending on the service, the balance shifts. With EC2, you secure the operating system and applications. With RDS, AWS manages the platform while you protect the data. And with Lambda, AWS handles nearly everything except your code and permissions. The key understanding is where your duty begins and where AWS's ends. When both sides hold up their part, the city, your cloud, stays safe. In the Dark Knight, Gotham stays safe because Batman and Commissioner Gordon share the mission, each guarding their part of the city. AWS and its customers work in the same way. AWS builds the fortress, you control the gates. A misconfiguration, an open port, a weak password is like shining the bat signal for your enemies to find you. True security isn't about fear, it's about discipline. It's knowing that even the world's best defenses fail if the watchman falls asleep. So stay vigilant, stay prepared, and remember, in the cloud, the strongest protection comes from the partnership.